All right, so this one right here is question number 4, and as you can see, it is exactly the same as question number 3. So let's begin by creating our template. First, we go over the input, and in this case, we're dealing with Maxivite and Healthavite. Okay, so here is, let's just call them Max and Health to keep things simple. Max and Health. All right. So now in this case, we're looking for the cost of pills. And then it's iron, B1 and B2. Okay, so the cost of the pills is 0.05 and 0.09. Then the iron is 40. Eight, 5, and 12, 50. Right, so now for the decision variable, once again, dV. So what combination of Maxivite and Healthavite pills will meet the patient's vitamin requirements? Okay, so we're looking for the combination of pills. That's our decision variable. And so let's go ahead and copy these and paste it right here. Nice. And then for our model, we're looking for the lowest cost. Once again, copy these, paste it here, and then add the total. And lastly, our constraints, as usual, value, operator, constraint. Okay, so let's start building the model. So for this, it would be cost times the demand. Drag it. And here equals sum parentheses. Oh, no, there's two, sorry. These two down here and close parentheses. Right. So now if you want to, this is optional again. I just do this because I get lost easily. So here and here, this will be used for the solver function. Now, last thing to do is to put our constraints. So for the value of our constraints, it says here, okay, at least. Okay, so it's at least, so it's 240, 2400, that's the 1800. And it's at least, so if it's at least, we have to use the following operator, which is like this. Okay. Enter, drag this down. And now here, what we have to do is go up and read the exercise. And as you can see, it's talking about the intake of iron B1 and B2. So let's go ahead and iron B1, B2. This is intake. And now that we have this, we just go ahead and use the solver tool. Go to data, go to solver. And once it opens, just click on min, since we're looking for the lowest cost. Set objective as the total cost by changing these cells. These two right here. And now we add the constraints and change these to simplex LP. Okay, that's done. Let's add a constraint. In this case, they all use the same symbol. So we should be good. And here's the constraint. You notice that I skipped something, so I'm just gonna click OK. I'm gonna close the solver, hopefully it saves. I'm gonna go ahead and scroll. And it says, yeah, at least. So we're gonna use the value of 0 here, 0, 0, 0. And now that we have that, we can go to the solver one more time. Hopefully it's saved. If not, we just refill it again. Okay, it's saved. And now we add the last constraint, which is the implicit constraint that it cannot be 0. So here, click this, and this, and add the constraint. Oh, sorry. I did this the other way around. Okay, so this is 0, and then the sol reference would be max and health away. Now we click OK. And once you do that, go ahead and click solve. And it's gonna boot up. Give it a few seconds, 5 to 10. There we go. Solver. Keep solver solution. That's weird. It gave me a 0. Oh, okay, I know. Okay, so I can see that my mistake was, and I apologize for it, I confused the operator sign. So here, just go and click this and change it so it fixes the problem. Yeah, and once you done that, so here's the problem, is that I forgot to do this. So it's some product. And then you have to do this, comma, like this, some product, this, like this, and lastly, some product P1, this. Okay, so now finally, if you go here and click solve, it will give you the correct answer. I'm 100% sure, I'm confident. So let it work, and it will say that it found a solution. Okay, see, now I found a solution. Click OK, keep solver solution. Click so it updates. And let's see, equals max equals alpha. And here's the total cost. Now, if you go ahead and check, 100%. Okay, so that's it for number 4.